For me, this M&S Collection creamy Greek yogurt tzatziki is the taste of summer. It really is so delicious, and I've got 3 ways with it. We've got a starter, a side and a main. This tzatziki is made with garlic, Greek yogurt and shredded cucumber. It really has got it all. For starters, my delicious tzatziki and aubergine crostini, the perfect summer starter or snack packed with authentic Greek flavours. Cook for a couple of minutes on each side until charred. Smear the crusty bread with tzatziki and drape over the aubergines. And as a side, my M&S Collection tzatziki potato salad, the perfect side for any barbecue or summer dinner. Simply boil your potatoes, coat them in thick, creamy tzatziki, top it with some chopped chives, and you have the perfect barbecue side ready to go. Now, the main event, my lamb and tzatziki couscous, fresh summer flavours, delicious cooked on a barbecue. Get the marinade on the lamb, leave it for 15 minutes. Now get that lamb into a really hot pan, stir those beautiful seasoned tomatoes into that hot couscous, top it with that beautifully pink sliced lamb, and serve it up with a crunchy salad and a good dollop of that flavour bomb tzatziki. Those are my 3 ways with M&S Collection tzatziki. Give them a go.